Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can create an account on the Tumblr app. So first of all, you need to download the Tumblr Home of Fandom app either from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app, and now once downloaded, open it, and here just tap on the get started option. So enter your age. I'm 23. Then afterwards tap on next. By tapping on the next button, you have read. So by tapping on the next button, you agree to the privacy policy of the Tumblr app. So here just tap on next. Now just tap on what do you like the most. You can tap on the plus sign, and here you need to pick 5 options as you can see that on the screen, and then tap on next. So these are the basic ads of the app. Now if you want Tumblr to send you notifications, tap on the get notification option, or you can skip the part and tap on maybe later, or directly tap on the next option, which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are on the home screen of the app, as you can see, the next thing you need to do is tap on the profile like icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. And now you need to enter your email address to create your account, and enter your password, and in the third box enter your username, and then tap on the done option. So by tapping on the profile like icon, here you can see I have now created an account on the Tumblr app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.